Hi and welcome to Miss Cell Creations. Today we are making a holiday tic-tac-toe board on the xTool. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. We're doing this in sped up time, and I'll catch you at the end.
Sun peeks in through the workshop door. Coffee's hot and the sawdust on the floor. He's cutting edges, I'm painting lines. Two hearts working together just fine. Our dogs curl up by the table side, keeping watch as the hours slide. A love like this, steady and true, built on dreams and a little wood glue. Marcel Creations, where our hearts come alive, turning someone's vision into joy that thrives. From sketches and stories, something brand new. We're making dreams come true, me and you. We measure twice and laugh when it's wrong. Fix it up, hum another song. Each piece tells a story, every mark has grace. You can feel the love in every trace. It's more than a craft, it's a life we've made. Faith and sawdust, sunshine and shade. Each smile we spark, each I love it too, is the reason we do what we do. Marcel Creations, where our hearts come alive, turning someone's vision into joy that thrives. From sketches and stories, to something brand new. We're making dreams come true, me and you. When the day grows long and the work is done, we stand back proud in the setting sun. The dog's tails wag, the lights burn low, and our little dream continues to grow. Marcel Creations, it's our love in wood. Every board says together, life is good. From our hands to theirs, every dream rings true. We're making joy, me, you, and what we do. Together we build, together we dream, Marcel Creations, where love and sawdust meet.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, hit the like, subscribe, and we will see you the next time. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Sun peeks in through the workshop door. Coffee's hot and the sawdust on the floor. He's cutting edges, I'm painting lines. Two hearts working together just fine.